Hey friends, welcome back. So today we're going to add another soup to our soup series. Today I'm going to be making the Zuppa Toscana, Copycat Zuppa Toscana from Olive Garden. Now, I will admit I have never had Zuppa Toscana from Olive Garden, but what I do know is that this recipe right here is delicious. So I'm going to show you how I make it, and it's very simple. So for ingredients, we need some bacon, some potatoes, some heavy whipping cream, some hot Italian sausage. You can use mild, of course, and some salt and pepper, kale, better than bouillon, a medium onion, some garlic, and some fresh Parmesan cheese. And I use red pepper flakes to garnish. Now, usually I buy the sausage already ground, but they didn't have any. So I took the casing off, and then we're just going to add our onion, our garlic, and we're going to brown this. Just give it a stir, get everything cooked well. And once it's cooked, guys, don't forget, drain off that fat. So go ahead and drain it, return it to the pan, and then you're going to add your 32 ounces of chicken broth and your potatoes. Now, don't worry, I'll put the recipe in the description box. Okay, and once that's done, go ahead and put your lid on and let it cook for about 20 minutes. Now, you want those potatoes to be soft, but not too soft. Okay, and once that's done, you're going to go ahead and turn your fire down and add your 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. And at this point, I go ahead and give it a stir, and I add my seasoning. So salt and pepper, taste as you go. We're going to add our 2 cups of kale, and then we're going to add our bacon. You can add as little as you want or as much. I did not add too much bacon to this, but add what you like. And then you're going to let it simmer until that kale kind of wilts a little bit, and then it's done. That simple. We're done with the soup, and it is ready, and it's delicious. So yeah. There you have it. Our Zuppa Toscana soup. It's really good. It's one of my favorites. I think I say that about all of them, but it is one of my favorites. I make it on a regular basis. Go ahead and add the fresh Parmesan and the red pepper flakes over the top, and make some garlic bread, and it is delicious. And as usual, I'm definitely going to go ahead and prep this, so I'll have some for later. So you guys go ahead and like, subscribe, follow, share, and come back for some more recipes and DIY tips.